Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all for class 7 subject mathematics. So today we are going to continue with our topic, that is simple equations. Now in this the exercise 4.2. Okay. Now in what they are asking, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. First here you should understand what we are doing in this. So here what we have to do means we have to find the value of the given variable. That is what we are doing. Okay. We should find the value of this variable. Any variable which is given, we should find the answer for that. So what is the first step here they are asking? Okay. To find that the given variable, whatever the number here, the next to that it will be there. The same number we will take but opposite sign. Okay. What we are going to do? We will take the same number with the opposite side to remove this given number. Okay. Once if we remove this, we will get the value of variable. That is what we are going to do here. First step. Okay. Now what is given here? The first question, first one. They have given x minus 1 is equals to 0. So what is the here variable? Variable is x. What is the constant given? 1 with the minus sign. So give the opposite of minus, that is plus. Adding 1 both sides. Understood why I have taken 1 both the side? Adding 1. So what happens? If I add 1 on both the sides, okay, I have taken plus 1 here and the other side also plus 1. What is happening? Minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. Therefore, what remains? Left hand side LHS is only x. What is remaining the other hand? 0 plus 1 is 1. Are we getting the value of variable? Yes. You can see how we got the variable value? Yes, there are different methods. This is the first method. Whatever the value is given here, with the opposite sign you have to add or subtract. In the previous video I said you, if we add or subtract the same value for the equation, then the equation will not be what? It will not be wrong. Okay, it will be correct. But you have to see that same value you should take for both the sides. Okay. Now the second one here, y plus, that is g. First main g question I have taken, that is y plus 4 is equals to 4. So what is the number given here? 4. Okay. 4 I have to take. Then what is the sign is given? It is plus. What is the opposite of plus? Minus. So you have to subtract minus 4 both sides. Because I want to remove this value so that I get the value of the variable. Clear? So subtracting 4 both sides. So y plus 4 minus 4. LH is also, RH is also minus 4. This plus 4 and minus 4 is 0. Therefore what remains? Y. 4 minus 4 is 0. What is the value of y? Here the value of y is 0. Okay, coming to the second main. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay, what they are asking, again the same. Separate the variable so that we can find the value of variable. The first question here is 3L is equals to 42. Okay, this is the question. Which value we have to find? We have to find the value of L. So to find the value of L, what is with L? With L there is 3. 3 is multiplied with L. We should remove this 3 means divide by 3. Yes or no? If we have to remove this multiplication of 3, we have to divide by 3. We cannot take 3 only one side. We have to take both the sides. Remember that. In an equation, when we have to remove something, we have to remove both the sides. So dividing both sides by 3. So what happens? 3L by 3 and 42 by 3. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. What remains? L. So here 3 ones are 3. Then 12 remains. 3 fours are 12. What is the value of variable L? that is equals to 14. This is how we are going to find the value of the variable. Here the third main, give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Even here the same, but here it comes into 2. There it was easy way because only one numbers were given. One constant were there with the variable. Now in this equation you can see there are 2 constants here. You can see how many constants? 2 constants are there. So here we have to take 2 steps. The first step is the one number which is constant, the other without the variable which is constant here. First I will take this number and I'll remove. What is there? 2. And what sign is there? Minus sign. What is the opposite of minus? Plus. So what I have to take both the side? It is plus 2. Adding 2 both sides. What happens? 3n minus 2 plus 2, 46 plus 2. So plus 2 and plus 2, minus 2 and plus 2 will make it 0. What remains? 3n. And here 46 plus 2 is 48. Clear? What I did? I removed the constant, the first constant from the variable. So what is remaining now? One more constant is remaining so that I can find the value of variable. If I remove this 3, then I'll get the value of n. How to remove this? This is multiplied here. 3 is multiplied with the n. Yes or no? So how to do? What is the opposite of multiplication? Division, right? Dividing by 3. If I divide both the side by 3, that is 3n by 3 is equals to 48 by 3. Remember, whichever sign or whichever number we are taking, we have to take both the sides, LHS as well as RHS. So this 3 will get cancelled here. What remains? N. And the other side, divide this by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 carry over, 3 6 are 18. What's the value of variable we are getting? That is 16. Clear? Okay. The last main here, solve the following equations. What they have given? Solve the following equation. What we have to solve? We have to find the value of the variable. Right? Solve the following means what? We have to find the value of variable. In this, I have taken the E problem. Okay? That is 3p by 4 is equals to 6. Okay? Here it was minus and multiplication. Here it is division and multiplication with the variable. So, which one I will take first? This 4 I will take. Without the variable, I will take which is constant first. Which we have to take first? Only the constant. Okay? If I remove, it is dividing here. What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So what number I have to take? 4. So multiply both the side by 4. Okay? After taking 4, what happens? This 4 will get cancelled. The other side, that is here what remains? 3p. And 6 4s are 24. Here you can see I have removed the division part, right? So what is remaining? 3p is equals to 24. How did this number change? Because I have multiplied both the side, therefore 6 4s are 24. We should not write 6. Clear? Then what I need? I need the value of p. What is along with p? 3. 3 is multiplying with p. Therefore, we have to divide by 3 so that I can remove this 3. Dividing both the side by 3. 3p by 3 is equals to 24 by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. So p remains here. Once I divide this, 3 8s are 24. What is the value of p now? P is equals to 8. You have to solve all the problems of exercise 4.2 in your classwork. Thank you.